Hey, it's Clay. In this video chart on ticker symbol AMC, we will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one. Very rough way to end the week. Friendly reminder, the markets are closed on Friday for Good Friday. But updates here definitely need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And have talked about that 990 mark several times in the past as an area of support. But as the price is now broken down below it, as rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened here. Price started to fluctuate around it, and then it just went full bore into acting as resistance right there, and then back down. The price is gone. So moving forward, if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation and return back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 990, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that moving forward here into next week. So watch that as that initial level of resistance. But as far as supports are concerned now moving forward, next key level that everybody's going to be watching, rightfully so, makes sense, is down here at the $8.95 mark. And there's nothing fancy or complicated behind that. Well, let me get these old annotations out of the way. But like I said, nothing fancy or complicated behind that. That's right where the price has bounced, previously. So a lot of people will be watching that because it does make a whole lot of sense. But I mean, if the price gets down there and breaks through $8.95, then as you can see at that point, that would be putting the price down at lows that, it hasn't seen since way back there in early March. So keep an eye on those couple areas moving forward. But yeah, not a great way to end the week, but it is AMC, so you never know what sort of crazy could happen. But as of right now, it's just been basically a slow bleed over the entire week as the chart has just put in lower high after lower high after lower high. But we'll see if things can get turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.